In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Aweber. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded form ready to collect subscribers, whether you're embedding it on your site or using a hosted link. First, open your browser and search for Aweber. From the results, click the official Aweber website. Make sure you're on the secure, legitimate site by checking the URL and the padlock in the address bar. Next, click Sign In and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look at the top navigation and click the Pages and Forms tab. This is your workspace for creating and managing forms and landing pages. From there, select Sign Up Forms so you're focused specifically on opt-in forms for your list. Click the Create a Sign-up Form button. You'll be asked to choose where the form will live: on my website or a dedicated landing page. On my website is ideal if you already have a site and want the form embedded on a specific page or sidebar. Landing page is perfect if you want Aweber to host a standalone page with your form, no website required. Now browse the template gallery and pick a design that matches your brand's look and feel. Aim for something simple and readable. Contrast and white space help your form stand out. Preview how it appears on mobile to ensure it's easy to complete on a phone. In the drag-and-drop editor, customize the form. Add or remove fields like name or phone number. Adjust colors to align with your brand, and edit the header or footer text to clearly explain what subscribers will receive. Keep fields to the essentials to improve completion rates, and use clear call-to-action text like subscribe or get the guide. If you mention any incentives, keep the message concise and trustworthy. When you're happy with the design, click Go to Step 2. Give your form a descriptive name so you can find it later. Then set your thank you page. You can use Aweber's default page or send subscribers to a custom URL. Great for delivering a lead magnet, sharing next steps, or confirming that their submission worked. A thoughtful thank you experience reinforces your brand and sets expectations. Next, click Go to Step 3 to choose how to install it. If you select I will install my form, copy the JavaScript or HTML code and paste it into your website where you want the form to appear. JavaScript is easier to maintain because updates in Aweber reflect automatically. If you prefer not to edit your site, choose Use a hosted form and share the provided link directly in emails, social profiles, or ads. That's it. Your Aweber sign-up form is ready to start growing your list.